This is our 8x4 cold frame, 8 foot long, which is 2.3 meters long, 4 foot wide, 1.2 meters wide. Now this cold frame's got a number of accessories which I'm just going to go through for you. First of all, you'll see that it's got a powder coating on it to make it look nice and make it blend in to the garden. You've also got an automatic louver vent, which is this unit at the front here. We could have that as a manual louver vent. If you've got alpines in there, then the louver vent is very good for giving a permanently baffled ventilation through the cold frame. Or we can have it automatic, that will open and close on its own depending on the weather conditions. So very useful if you've gone out for the day. The other thing you can see is that this one has actually gone onto a raised bed. The cold frame is designed to go straight onto the soil, but if you want to, you can have it on a wooden raised bed. That's available in two different formats, either basically a hollow box that you fill with soil and then you can grow your own vegetables in there and it'll drain much better than just your normal vegetable patch, or you can have it as this one here, which has got a solid wooden floor in there. So you can see we've got pots in here, small plants on this solid wooden floor. Very useful if you've got alpines, because you can put a couple of inches of gravel on top of the solid wooden floor and then put the alpines on there, and it makes a very nice display frame. The other option that we've got in this cold frame is the shelf system. You can see here we've got two seed tray shelves. Those two seed tray shelves make up a set, and that will hold 8 seed trays on it. They're adjustable height wise, and they can be taken out in the summertime when you don't want to use the shelves anymore. And the last option that we've got on here is the mist watering system. There's a fitting on the far end for a hose pipe. You can perhaps just see the yellow hose going up to it, and inside we've got some little nozzles running down the centre. They spray out a very fine mist and do all the watering for you. So it saves you getting inside with a watering can, and you can leave all the framework closed, put the watering on for a minute or so. Very, very useful. If we think about the features of the Access cold frame, first of all, we'll notice that the glass is toughened safety glass. The reason we use this very strong glass is that it stands up to high winds and it also stands up to snow. Now it's very strong, it has been toughened, so we can hit it without any problems at all. But if we want to, we can actually remove the glass. So in the summertime, if we want to have the plants growing out through the top, or we just want some wind protection, say, then we can take the glass out and let the rain come in through the top. Now a bit closer to the cold frame, we can just see how much space there is inside. Now we can open up these doors, we can slide them right out of the way, so we've got plenty of room to work inside the cold frame. You can see there's a really cavernous space in there, 8 feet long, 4 foot wide, so 32 square feet of growing space in there. And you can see it's quite a bit of a height as well, so if we've got taller crops in the summertime, we can accommodate those without any problems at all. Bush tomatoes we can have in there. If we want to grow full-size tomatoes, what we can do is take the top glass out when they reach the roof, and then they can grow out through the top. You can see here seed tray shelves, very sturdy, slim aluminium bars, so the light is getting down to the lower levels where the shelves aren't actually fitted. But we can actually adjust the spacing of the shelves here, so we can change the height if we want to, and if we want to in the summertime, we can take them right out. And lovely and warm in there at the moment because the sun's out, so we can have the glass open and ventilating the frame. When it comes to the evening time, then we can just slide the doors closed again, and it's all nice and snug.